5 by 6 divided by 2 by 9. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer, whatever it will be, right or wrong. And I will give you a shout out here. These are commenters. So here we can see there is only one operation, which is division, but we will solve with the help of PEMDAS and KCF. Here we can see both are the fractions, so we will use KCF rule here. KCF stands for keep, change and flip. We will keep 5 by 6 as it is. This division will be changed into multiplication and 2 by 9 will be flipped upside down, you can say, to this. Now we can solve with simple mathematics. 3 times 2, that is 6, 3 times 3, that is 9, and our question will become like this: 5 times 3 divided by 2 times 2. 5 times 3, which equals to 15, and 2 times 2, which equals to 4. Or you can say 3 by 4. This is the right answer. And if you're serious, then must check out our best product links for you in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.